Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to unbox another two microphones for your mobile phone and for your PC, the low budget range microphones. Before I start this video, make sure you remember my last video. uh, in last video I unboxed Boya double M1 original microphone for you, and today we are going to unbox this microphone, the low level and low budget microphone for your PC. And we have another microphone here, so let's unbox two microphones in this video. And make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel before start this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for latest and amazing video updates. Let's start the video. Let's start from this microphone. You can see the branding here. This microphone is available in local market and online store only in 600 to 700 Pak rupees. Let's see what's inside the box. We have our microphone here, and of course a user manual, and we have the microphone packaging here. Let's unwrap this microphone and see what's inside this microphone. Now you can see here a collar clip is here and the microphone is here. This microphone is very amazing, and this filter is noise cancellation for your microphone. This is very amazing microphone. You can just put it in your collar like this, and you have a 5.5 jack here, and the wire is only 2 meters. This is very low, but if you're doing a vlogging like me, and if you're doing face cam videos, then this microphone is best for you. Now let's wrap this microphone and see the another microphone box, and what's inside the another microphone box. Let's uh, box this microphone and see what's inside another microphone box. This is phone. The name is Professional Mic. Now let's unbox this microphone, and we have only microphone in this box. This microphone should be better than old one. You have a mechanism clip for your collar, and you can see the wire is very lengthy, around about 2 meters. And you can also available, this mic is also available 1.5 meter, 3 meter and 5 meter cables. You can also use this in your iPhone, in your Mac devices. This microphone is really good microphone. You also have a noise cancellation filter here, and we can also give the name of Boya M1 duplicate copy. I use Boya M1 original microphone, and you can see the microphone jack is here. Now you can also, and you can simply put it on here and record your videos like this. So let's let's wrap this microphone in the box, and I will be in the video in a few seconds. Just wait in a few seconds. And that's in the today video. We unbox these two microphones in this video. This microphone cost around about 800 Pak rupees, and this microphone is cost around about 500 to 600 Pak rupees. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe this YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest and amazing video updates. Take care. Goodbye.